Okay, so what we can see here is an error that Replit has caused, and it's stopping me from actually going back into challenge 2. I've had a couple of students saying that they can't get into it. Now, I found a way of doing it where I just typed the address in manually in the top where it says repl.it. Not ideal. If you do come up with this problem, um, and it feels like only one submission is allowed per student, and you contact me and you say, oh, can you undo that? Well, I can't. The best thing to do is to shut your web browser down and bring it back up and see if that fixes it. If not, manually type the address in up in the top. Okay, let me know how you get on. Bye bye.